Homeowners seeking bay window replacement Fleming Island often choose solutions that improve curb appeal, interior light, and property value in Fleming Island, Florida. From bay window replacement in Fleming Island Plantation, Florida to bay window replacement estimates near Harbor Island. Fleming Island. Local projects often include double-pane bay windows Fleming Island, insulated bay windows Fleming Island, and storm-resistant bay windows Fleming Island, Northeast Florida for stronger performance in coastal weather conditions. Custom bay windows Fleming Island are ideal for homeowners who want distinctive style, better views, and a tailored fit for their home architecture. Whether you need custom bay windows in Eagle Harbor Fleming Island, decorative bay window upgrades in Eagle Harbor North Fleming Island, or custom bay window trim services Fleming Island, personalized designs can include vinyl bay windows Fleming Island, wood bay window frames Fleming Island, and modern bay window designs Fleming Island that match traditional, transitional, or contemporary homes. Residential bay window contractors near Black Creek Fleming Island help homeowners coordinate projects that range from small repairs to complete remodeling. Experienced bay window contractors Fleming Island and bay window contractors serving Fleming Island and Middleburg, Florida can manage bay window remodeling Fleming Island, bay window frame replacement Fleming Island, bay window exterior trim replacement, and bay window ceiling services near Lakeside Fleming Island, Florida, so the installation is structurally sound and visually cohesive. Energy-efficient bay windows Fleming Island remain one of the most requested home upgrades for reducing heat gain and improving year-round comfort. Many homeowners in Clay County choose high-efficiency bay window installation Fleming Island waterfront homes with insulated bay windows Fleming Island, double-pane bay windows Fleming Island, Jacksonville metro area, and advanced glass packages that support lower utility bills while helping living rooms, breakfast nooks, and front-facing spaces stay cooler in the Florida climate. Bay window installation Fleming Island, Florida is popular for both renovations and new construction because it adds dimension, natural light, and functional seating or display space. Professional bay window installers near Fleming Island handle measuring, framing, weatherproofing, and finish work for bay window installation near Eagle Harbor. Fleming Island, Florida. New bay window construction Fleming Island Orange Park area, and residential bay window services Fleming Island for homes throughout and surrounding neighborhoods. Vinyl bay windows Fleming Island are often selected for affordability, low maintenance, and dependable durability in humid Northeast Florida conditions. Homeowners searching for vinyl bay window installers Fleming Island or affordable bay window installers Fleming Island. Clay County, Florida frequently choose vinyl for its resistance to moisture, easy cleaning, and compatibility with energy-efficient bay windows Fleming Island, Clay County, Florida, making it a practical option for busy households. Wood bay window frames Fleming Island offer timeless beauty and a premium architectural look for homeowners who want rich interior finishes and classic craftsmanship. When properly installed and sealed, wood bay window replacement Fleming Island, Florida can elevate older homes and upscale properties in Eagle Harbor, Fleming Island Plantation, and waterfront areas, especially when paired with bay window exterior trim, decorative bay window options, and bay window renovation Fleming Island services.